Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video for you because I've been hearing a lot of talk about HR 933, which Obama signed last night. There's a lot of very angry people about it, and it just spurred me into looking into the bill further. What everybody is talking about with the bill is that it basically is allowing Monsanto to have a type of immunity if one of their crops causes a problem, whether it be health-wise or environmental-wise. The Secretary for the Department of Agriculture can deregulate real quick or do whatever they need to do to help protect the farmer. And you know, different articles are calling it different things. The Monsanto Protection Act, you know, it's a big thing, but farmer assurance provision. But what I actually found in the bill is it's the Plant Protection Act. Also, what I found out in this bill is that it expires in 6 months. This is an extension bill of spending money, and it is not focused only on the part of the Department of Agriculture that would cover this. There's a lot of interesting things in it, and you know, I'm going to address those as well, but what I wanted to really bring to light to you is that this is only for 6 months. Therefore, there is time to call your senators and complain and let them know that you don't approve of different sections of this. Now, you're going to have to be aware of the bill. You cannot just call up and say, I don't like HR 933, because it covers so many things. And this is kind of hidden in there. It's hidden in Section 735. In the event that a determination of non-regulated status made pursuant to Section 411 of the Plant Protection Act is or has been invalidated or vacated, the Secretary of Agriculture shall, notwithstanding any other provision of law, upon request by a farmer, grower, farm operator, or producer, immediately grant temporary permits or temporary deregulation in part, subject to necessary and appropriate conditions consistent with Section 411 or 412 of the Plant Protection Act. Let's come over here and see Plant Protection Act. You know, even when you search Plant Protection Act, the Google results come up. Obama signs Monsanto Protection Act. Wikipedia. The Plant Protection Act is a U.S. statute relating to plant pests and noxious weeds introduced in 2000. It is currently codified at 7 U.S.C. 7701. It consolidates related responsibilities that were previously spread over various legislative statutes, including the Plant Quarantine Act, the Federal Plant Pest Act, and Federal Noxious Weed Act. Jeez, there's the text of it. You know, I might check into that here in a little bit. But this is basically saying that if a biotech grower grows a crop that is not good, is bad for the environment or what have you, then the Secretary of Agriculture can not charge them, can deregulate them, can do whatever is needed to do immediately without you know, further request. All you have to do is, if you're the farmer, you just say, hey, you know, this stuff, it's killing off everything in the area, so, you know, can you give me a deregulation on this to protect them from lawsuits or what have you. Now, keeping in mind also that this particular part of the bill was written in part by a former Monsanto employee who now sits in the House of Representatives, or is a senator, one of the two. I need to verify that, but I found that pretty interesting. So I'm going to make another video. If you want to watch the next video I post, that's going to be about some of the other things that are contained here in HR 933 that I think are pretty serious. But I just wanted to point this out to you for now and let you know that this is for 6 months. We've got until September. If nobody says or does anything, then yes, they'll just sign it on into infinity or to a later expiration date. But for now, it's only good until September, so that gives us a little bit of time to act on it.